I am trying to make a temporary table saw until we can afford to buy one.
Okay.
Let's hope that works. Okay. Because I need something to where I can cut good straight lines. And I was using that, but it's warped. It doesn't cut straight lines anymore. If you take a look at this right here, look at this edge, you'll see how it bows out here. That's not going to be any good to be making like picture frames and cutting out sheets of plywood to do scroll saw portraits and other projects. I need something that's going to give me true straight cuts. So until we can afford a table saw that's worth buying, because any table saw, unfortunately, here in the Philippines that costs less than 10,000 pesos isn't worth the time of day. You might as well be using this. So it's probably going to take me about a year to save up for the table saw that I want to get, because it seems like every time I get some progress on saving up for it, we have something stupid come up, like repairs on the car or something else like that. So I'm doing this for now.
What was that? So, ito ang aking first meal. Unang kain. Time check. Anong oras na? 11:15. Ayan, 11:19 a.m. Ito ang ating unang pagkain. First meal. Pipino, tapos yung kalahati ng 1/4 ng itlog ni Michael. Ayan. Ito yung yogurt. Ito yung tira ko kahapon na yogurt. Lagay natin ito. Ayan.
Okay.
Look at this, guys. Is it the magic?
Well, I need something that's going to be more accurate on cutting strips, sizing down sheets of wood like this. Now I'm gonna warn everyone right now. This is not exactly the most safest way of doing it, but if you have a lot of experience working in woodworking and you don't be stupid, this works, and this is what I'm going to be using until I can actually afford and buy an actual table saw. I basically turned my circular saw into a crosscut table saw. This is going to be the fence. The saw is down here. If the Filipino will bring the camera up, this is called the fence. The wood will run on the side here, and what I'll do is I'll use my measuring tools to measure how big of a gap I want here. Right now I have it at 4 1/8 inch. So I should be able to do uniform cuts with a straight edge, which this side of this plank is a straight edge if you look here. So I should be able to get 4 1/8 inch. Okay, basically I got this set for 4 1/8 inch, and we're going to run our first cut, and it's wide enough that I don't need a push stick. I'll keep my hand very close to the fence here, my other hand will be over here so it'll be safe. But like if I want to do like a 1 inch or 2 inch cut, I'll need to make a special stick to help push the wood through. But right now this is our test run. This is the first time running this. There's a constant on switch on my circular saw. If you don't have that on your circular saw, you can just use a zip tie to hold the switch. So what I have down here is I have a switch, and I'm going to figure out how to get it up here so it's safer for me to reach and turn on and off. But like I said, this is just the first run. This is the test run to make sure it works. And I'm going to have the Filipina stand over there by the car. It's going to get loud.
Okay. Wow, that's so perfect. Wow, that's amazing.
Okay. Now you can see after I was done with the cut, I had to actually come away and go down here to turn it off. That's why I'm going to need to mount. I'm going to need to somehow mount it up here. So as soon as I'm done with the cut, I can immediately turn it off. I'm not bending down and risking any accidental, like putting my hand here to stable myself or anything like that. So I need to figure out I need to figure out how to stabilize this up here so the switch is right here. But we're going to do one more test cut, and these two pieces should be perfect. Okay, now, if you look at these two pieces, they are perfectly uniform in thickness. And when I get my square, you can see that the pieces are square. So
Yeah, perfect.
it's going to work for now. It'll let me do straight cuts. I can do cuts safely up to about 1 inch of wood. This is 3/4 of an inch. If the wood comes up just a little bit, that would be fine. But it's still, it's very limited compared to an actual table saw. But it's gonna make my work a little bit easier, especially with some projects. I want to start doing some scroll saw portraits. I got some ideas for some Christmas and birthday presents, and I need perfect square planks to do that, and I can't do that with a circular saw just trying to guide and push. So that's about it.
Nice work.
Okay.
Yeah.
What you doing?
I'm filming you. What you doing?
Just making some revisions.
It's hot there now, huh?
That's why I got the fan.
Yeah. So, pinagsuot ko siya ng plastic. Yan, kasi nagpalit siya ng sapatos kahapon. Para hindi mapuntahan na naman ng yung sawdust. Kasi ayoko na siyang magpalit ng sapatos ulit. Mahirap kasi yan tanggalin eh. Yung bakal na yan. Yan. Yan siya. So, yung ganap ni Michael. Here. Yan si Casey. So, syempre nasa electric fan siya. Dito naman, nagluluto ako. Nakaprepare na yung aking paglulutuan. Ito, dito ko ilalagay yung isda. Ilalagay ko sa oven. Yan. Ano muna tayo? Layo-layo muna tayo sa prito-prito. And dito naman ay yung patatas. Yan. Ang isda ko ay pampano. 2 pampano. And patatas. And kamote, sweet potato. Yan. Air fry. Ay, i-oven ko. Tapos ito, nagpe-prepare ako ng mga seasoning. Ito ay ginger powder. Yan. Lalagyan ko niyan. Tapos, meron ako ditong yung mga seasoning ko na ganito, nilalagay ko sa ref. Tingnan mo, ang tagal na nito. Pa din siya, malambot pa din. Kasi pag nilagay mo siya sa labas lang, naninigas. So, hindi mo na siya magagamit. Sobrang tigas. So, yun. Maglalagay akong onion powder and white pepper. Wala yata akong garlic powder. Galing sa ref. Garlic powder. Turmeric para sa aking isda. Tapos salt. Pepper, ground pepper. Nutmeg. Konti lang. Mga pinch-pinch lang. Thyme para malasa yung ating isda. And cumin. Tapos lalagyan ko nito basil, konti. Tapos ito, lalagyan ko din nito para sa aking patatas. Tapos lalagyan ko ng konting oil para hindi siya dry. Yan. Yan. Pampalo. Tapos isusunod. Ating pampano. Ayan. Ang ating oven preheated. Ayan ka. Veggie. I should put the bone here.